I'm making a scarf using the Lace-Like Variation 1 stitch. Isn't it pretty? I love this stitch. Anyway, I'm going to make a keyhole in it. And even though the technique is the same every time you make a keyhole, people ask me how to make it on different patterns. So I'm going to show you now how I'm going to do it here. So I'm going to knit the first 3 stitches because I'm doing a little 3-stitch garter edging on both sides. And then, see how many stitches I have. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So I'm going to knit in the pattern for the first 4 stitches. So that's yarn over, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 2 together. So that's 4 stitches. Now I'm going to bind off 8 stitches. So that's 1, 2. So there's the last stitch on the needle. I'm just going to knit 1, yarn over, knit 2 together, and knit the last 3 stitches. I've turned the work around. Going to knit the first 3 stitches for that garter edge, and then I'm going to purl the rest of the stitches till I get to where the hole is. Then going to turn the work around, and I'm going to cast on the 8 stitches that I bound off. So that's 1, 2. If you need to know how to cast on, you can watch my video on how to do that. And going to 8. So there's the 8 stitches. Now I'm going to turn the work around again, and I'm going to finish the row by purling till I get to the last 3 stitches, which I'm going to then knit for the garter edge. And that's 1, 2, 3. There's the keyhole. Now I'm going to just knit the next row normally in pattern. So it's 3 knit stitches, and then it's yarn over, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 2 together. Just continue in the pattern till you get to the last 3 stitches, which you're then going to knit. So there you have it. Just continue now knitting in the pattern for as long as you want it, and when you have it as long as you want it, you'll just be pulling that through the keyhole and you'll have a lovely scarf. I'll show you a picture of it when it's all done. In the meantime, subscribe, like, comment, etc., etc., and happy knitting, everyone.